Hello, this video tutorial is to help you use OneSearch. This video will cover tip number 2, advanced searching. You can start by going to the main library page at library.sjsu.edu, and on the OneSearch bar, click on Advanced Search at the bottom right corner. This will open a page where you can search specifically for through which collection. You can also use the any field to look for specifically title, author, subject, or you can also use contains, is, starts with, and you can enter your search term here. You can also use this second row to add another search term. You can look based on the material type, the language, the start date, and end date. Once you have entered in a search term, I'll be looking for library spaces again. You can click this search button and you will be taken to your results. Thank you for watching.